Hey everyone, my name is Tiff Tinney and thank you for tuning into my channel. If you're here, I have to assume that you are looking into purchasing the Overnight Millionaire system by Wesley and you're just looking for people who have left reviews on the system just to see how their experiences have been. I decided to drop this post just because it's been a life-changing experience for me. And this post alone is reflective of that, because I am really not one to post, and from now on that will be changing because I am venturing outside of my comfort zone as part of this personal development, along with other life-changing things that I am going through in my journey. So overall, the program, which is a personal development program, has been amazing. And that's an understatement. Guys, when I started this program in May, I wasn't even in a bad place. I mean, I just stumbled upon it. I stumbled upon Wesley Virgin. He seemed like a real person. He seemed like, someone that can be trusted. And really, I took a leap of faith, not knowing really what to expect. And guys, I just have to say, this program, which provides, a lot of information, comprehensive, flow of information on personal development, from manifesting your dreams, manifesting an abundance of wealth, meditation techniques, guided meditations, continuous support from their team, as well as like-minded individuals who are also in the journey as well. So you gain access to also, the same type of people who are looking to manifest extreme wealth. And, this program is not for everyone. Honestly, only 1% of the people who view this will take action, like I did. And by the way, if you're one of those people, the link is below to join Overnight Millionaire. So hit the like button, and if this is enough for you, just join. I guarantee you will not regret it. Okay, but it's been an enlightening journey for me, and like I said, this is out of my comfort zone, but I really, if this video and review will help others join and experience what I have been experiencing, but then I'm making a difference, and that actually feels really good. It feels really good. I've been in, like I said, for a few months. So am I a millionaire? No, I'm not a millionaire yet, but I can tell you that it all starts in here. So for those of you who've been trying to build businesses and have not really been following through, or not succeeding, or just trying to figure out what the next step is, especially during this quarantine and COVID and all this stuff, start investing in yourself. And highest recommendation is to begin with this product, the Overnight Millionaire system. It's not an audio you just watch once, or you just listen to once and done. You have to keep listening to it to understand the information, because these are things that you are learning about. So you're going through a process of learning, and when you listen to things, your brain only captures some of the information. So you have to keep listening to it, but you also need to act on them at the same time. Okay, so as long as you're putting in the work and the effort, as long as you have an extreme desire and intention on what you want, and which is to recondition your mindset so that you can attract an abundance of wealth, then this program is for you. Okay, but if you purchase it and just listen to it once and do nothing about it, then it's not going to work. So really, it's up to you and it's really how much you want it. How much do you want this? How much do you want an abundance of wealth? How much do you want to learn how to recondition your mindset so you attract nothing but positive in your life? It's all up to you. But this program with Wesley Virgin, Wesley Virgin is by far the realest of the real. He's super transparent. He's unfiltered. And, he's the person that will tell you like it is. He tells you like it is. And that's what I appreciate him most about. In addition to that, he didn't grow up being having a millionaire mindset. So, I really like the fact that he was I'm not going to say low income, middle income. He was just, he was, I would describe him, like regular, like us, working class, trying to figure it out. And he really took the time to self-educate. He educated himself. He learned how it worked. And he is now a multimillionaire. He learned the online marketing. He learned how to, he reconditioned his mindset. He surrounded himself with like-minded people, and he made it to the top. And now he has a vested interest in doing the same for people who are ready to take action now. Guys, if you're liking this information, if you really appreciate this review, and if it, was helpful for you, please click the like button. I really appreciate it. But as soon as you're done with that, you should also click the link below for Overnight Millionaire, because this is going to be mind-blowing for you. Trust me when I tell you, you are going to gain access to information that you had no idea was out there. It's unrevealed secrets, and it's really a lot of, millionaire mind hacks that you gain access to. So put the effort in, and you'll get so much out of it. Okay, guys, I hope that this information was helpful. In addition to this review, I do plan on leaving other reviews that would be helpful for you as well if you're looking to other Wesley Virgin products. So if you would like to learn about his other products that I am members of or that I have purchased, feel free to subscribe as well, so you can receive alerts on that, on when I post these, because like I said, I'm not, I'm out of my comfort zone. I generally do not post, but I will be from now on. It's personal development for me. And look, I want to share this with anyone who is ready to take action. Guys, take action now. This program doesn't cost as nearly as much as it should, because it's such invaluable information that you receive from this. So if I were you, I would purchase it now, because you don't know, you never know. I don't know if the prices are going to increase. That's not up to me. But like I said, for the amount of information that you receive, it's invaluable. It's priceless. So I hope this review was helpful. Thanks again for joining and tuning in, and stay tuned for other reviews. Take care.